At the end of this video, you will get a free business plan template that you can download and modify to easily create a quality business plan for your new business. Starting a food truck business is an exciting venture, blending culinary passion with entrepreneurship. To thrive in this dynamic industry, consider these 50 tips ranging from menu innovation to logistical finesse that can steer you toward success in the vibrant world of mobile gastronomy. Unique concept. Craft a niche menu that stands out amidst the competition, offering something distinctive and memorable to customers. Market research. Understand local tastes and preferences to tailor your menu accordingly, ensuring it resonates with your target audience. Strategic location. Scout high-traffic areas to park your truck, maximizing visibility and foot traffic for increased sales. Licensing and permits. Navigate through legalities meticulously, securing all necessary permits and licenses before hitting the road. Quality ingredients. Source fresh, high-quality ingredients to maintain the integrity and taste of your offerings. Menu variety. Provide a balanced menu with diverse options to cater to different dietary preferences and needs. Pricing strategy. Determine competitive yet profitable prices, considering food costs, location, and customer expectations. Social media presence. Leverage social platforms for marketing, engaging with customers, and announcing locations and specials. Eye-catching branding. Design an attention-grabbing logo and truck exterior that reflects your brand identity and attracts customers. Efficient workflow. Streamline kitchen operations for speed and consistency in fulfilling orders during peak hours. Customer service. Prioritize exceptional service to create a loyal customer base and garner positive reviews. Seasonal offerings. Introduce seasonal specials to keep the menu fresh and entice regulars to return for new experiences. Networking. Build relationships with other food truck owners and local businesses for collaborative events and mutual support. Food safety standards. Adhere strictly to hygiene and food safety regulations to uphold trust and credibility. Backup plans. Have contingency measures in place for equipment malfunctions or unexpected situations during service. Feedback loop. Encourage and welcome customer feedback to continually improve your offerings and service. Mobile payment options. Embrace various payment methods, including mobile apps and card readers, for customer convenience. Sustainability practices. Implement eco-friendly initiatives, like compostable packaging, to resonate with environmentally conscious customers. Staff training. Invest in staff training for efficiency, customer interaction, and maintaining quality standards. Stand out with specials. Introduce limited-time specials or exclusive menu items to create buzz and attract new customers. Conclusion. Launching a food truck demands dedication, creativity, and adaptability. By blending culinary prowess with sound business strategies and customer-centric approaches, your food truck venture can sizzle with success in the competitive culinary landscape. Stay innovative, stay connected, and serve up delicious experiences on wheels. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your business plan template. It is completely free, no strings attached.